Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial. If you're looking to protect your browsing data, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to lock the Avast Secure Browser on your mobile device using a passcode. It's fast, simple, and a great way to add privacy. Open the Avast Secure Browser app. Then tap on the gear settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings from the menu. Scroll the Settings menu and find the option called Browser Lock. Tap on it. Now, enable the passcode feature by toggling it on. Enter a 4-digit passcode of your choice. Tap the OK icon located at the bottom right corner. You will be asked to confirm the same 4-digit passcode. Tap OK again to complete the setup. Next, tap on Lock Timer to choose when the browser should automatically lock. For example, select Immediately if you want the browser to lock every time it's closed. That's it. Your Avast browser is now protected with a passcode. Feel free to explore more settings for added privacy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.